Hello guys, welcome back to Vani Studios. So today we are going to work on a project called Super Mario Game. You all must be aware of what is Super Mario. But today we are going to make a scratch version of it. So first let's enter a title as Mario Trial. Okay, so first I'll tell you from which place have I got the spreadsheet. The link will surely be there in the description. Okay, so can you see this Mario sprites? Here is Tanuki Mario and backgrounds and much more. So first we'll use a Mario spreadsheet which is already inserted in the game. So let's see how many sprites are there. Okay, so we are having Shy Guy, Krupa Trupa, Surhana Plant, a ghost, Lucky 2 and our most famous character Mario. So first, I'll introduce you to what things are we going to do today. We are going to just work on the looks and jumping of Mario. So first variables which we are needing is variable y, variable x and variable bbsy. For time being we are only need it in the variable y as we are coding jumping, and you all are also aware that the y-axis goes straight till the top and the x-axis moves by the side. So then we are gonna need a define block. So first we have to go to the block section and design one. Here we have to enter the name move. As it's done, the first work we are going to do is take a move block, go to forever section, means go to the control section, drag a forever, then make a kind of block, and when flag is clicked, this. And make sure when you are making this define block, you click on run without screen refresh. So you can see what's happening, and then you have to drag and if else yes, and then first we are gonna concentrate on jumping, so you have to drag and to go to the motion section and drag change y by and put it under define block. Then go to the sensing section and drag if touching the ground. Make sure you put the name of the sprite which you have made. For example, I have made the ground as the platform. So then you have to take a repeat block and from the operators section take ABS off. Inside it you are going to add the variable y, yes. Then put it inside the repeats block, and now you have to drag another if. Now duplicate if touching the ground and take a change y by block. Then you have to go to the operators section and take a multiplication block. With an ABPS of y and this block. Then you have to insert this block here and ABPS of Y here, and on another side it should be Y itself. And in this blank space you have to add the digit -1. After it, we have to now drag another if else. If else, and after it you have to go to the sensing section, and when space key press, and after that you have to take an AND block and insert the space key inside it, and in the AND block you have to take a not with greater than block. In block here you have to put 0, and here you have to put Y, and then insert it in this if then section. Okay, now let's clean up the block so that there is no jumble word. And yes, now you have to go to the variable section and take set Y2. You have to choose set set Y to 0 and set Y to 10. And from the variable section itself, take a variable called as change Y by and put the value as -1. So this is our codes for jumping, and let's see whether it's working or not. And yes, even go to the motion section and decide a place by taking the go to X and Y position block from where the player is going to start. For example, the player is going to start from this place, so we have put it as -164X and -108Y. So now let's see if the player is jumping. Okay, so as I have put space, okay, it's really jumping great. And if you want to put some more things like dialogues to Mario, so for that we are going to make a thing. So you have to just go to when flag is clicked, and in the look section you have to take say. Then you have to put it as say. Okay, and even increase the seconds to something nearly to 4 or of your choice. So now let's go in full screen and see how this first part look like. And even if you want, you can hide these variables if possible. In the next episode of How to Make Mario, we are going to work on moving right and left and on some level codings. So you can see it's working really nicely, and now Mario is going to say his dialogue. Yes. And you can see when I'm clicking the arrow key and Mario is saying his dialogue, he is not moving, because we have put the code something like when flag is clicked, he'll go to his destination and he'll say his dialogue, and after that he's gonna broadcast move. So thank you for watching this video. Please like, share and even subscribe. I'll come back to you all tomorrow or in the next episode. So bye for now.